Hi guys, today we're making a very
You don't even know, do you know what we're making?
we're making a cake.
We're making puffed rice, strawberry puffed rice cakes.
No, we're not. We're making one.
We're making one.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to make these, so I need to see the recipe. So what do we want first? We want 3 cups of puffed rice. I need some scissors. Now, I couldn't find gluten-free puffed rice, so that will be, if anybody knows where to get gluten-free puffed rice from, let me know. So I just have normal.
I'm getting it.
We're going to have cups, so we need 3 of those. We'll pour it in.
I didn't have some.
Yeah, we just want 3 of these.
Mama.
Ready? So I want to pour it up to that line. I forgot to, did you tell everybody who we are?
We are Adrian and we're Adrian and
So which one's Adrienne?
that one's Adrian and I'm Eva.
Yeah. Hi.
Can we pour it in?
Yep, so you can pour one in. 1 puff rice.
That's enough.
Yep, that's enough. So that's, how many is that one?
2.
2. Where's this one?
5.
Oh. You're going to clean that up later?
Yep.
Right, next one. 3. And it says half a cup
of
rice malt syrup.
rice milk syrup. I got it. Here it is.
Yeah, so we want half a cup. Do you know what it says, half a cup on there?
Yep.
Which one is half a cup? Do you know?
That one.
Which one? You have to, no, don't kick anywhere. What one? Show me.
That one.
It's this one here that says 1/2.
1/2.
1/2, which is half. I'll pour it in through the half. Hopefully there's enough. Right, now you pour that into the bowl. Oh, hang on.
Syrup down there, over here.
Okay, we did that wrong. We were meant to actually cook it on the stove top. Whoops. Do not ever cook or bake with me because, yeah. Hopefully this works out. So, and we need 200 grams of coconut oil.
Here it is.
I don't know how we're going to measure that. How are we going to measure that? I think we've got to, I don't know where our weigher is.
Mom,
Yeah.
we need some chocolate milk syrup.
$200 grams. So I don't know if this will work, but if we look at the butter, and maybe we'll just wing it, eh? We'll just wing it and see how it goes. Hey, can you please not make a mess, babe? So 200 grams, so that's
Can I
1,
do
2, So it's quite a bit, so I want to say like,
I want to do another one. Can I do another one? Can I do the last one? Can I do the last one, Mum?
You can pour it in when I finish. I tell you what you can do. See, look, there's all that syrup still in there. You need to pour it in there.
I know.
Alright, let's see how this goes. So who have we got? Someone jumped on. Hi Chrissy, how are ya? Eva and I are making strawberry rice cakes, and I think we may have destroyed the mixture, but we will find out whether it works or not. We were meant to heat up the rice milk syrup and the coconut oil together and then pour it in here, but we've already poured in the rice milk syrup into the rices, so yes, hopefully it works out. One.
And a little bit of water.
It's coconut oil.
Is that water? It's also water, Mum.
Yeah, do you want to tell them what you did at Kindy today? Tell everyone what you did at Kindy today?
No, I don't want that part. I'm telling them about we cooking.
Okay, will you tell them about the cooking then?
We just added rice and maple syrup and coconut oil. What else do we need? Let's see on the menu. We need
A quarter of a cup of desiccated coconut.
Yep, let's do that. Can I put You're putting it all over the menu.
I know, like who would want to cook with me?
I'll just put that back
I
in.
hope they turn out. There's enough, put it in there. Right, can you pop it in the container, please? Not on the... Pop it in the bowl, please. Right, now what else do we need? We need 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa, but I am going to use strawberry protein. We've only got, I've nearly run out of this. I've only got the tiniest amount left, and I need to order some more because it's going to run out. 1, 2, 3. Right, let's give this a stir.
Can I give it a stir now? Can I give it a stir now?
No, Mum will do this part because it's already got a big, huge mess. What we need to do is find a container to be able to put this in. So hopefully this works out, because I did not really follow the recipe at all.
Mum,
Yeah. So what I was meant to do was put the rice malt syrup and the coconut oil and heat that in the pan together and then put it in with the rice bubbles, but we didn't. We just shoved it all in there all together and managed to get desiccated coconut
Mummy.
everywhere. We don't
I
want
was just cracking.
Yep.
We can mix it all up again.
I saw that, but we don't actually want to make it crushed. We want to make sure that they're whole. Right. Next, do we have a container? You can tell I'm not a chef. That's for sure.
She's not a chef.
No. I don't even think we've got a big enough container. Yep. Ah, well, we might have to just put some in here and some in another container. Just make do.
Mum,
Yeah.
we're not making 3 cakes.
Well, I think we are. 1.
Do you know what else I want to do?
What do you want to do?
Want to make more.
We haven't even made the first one yet. See how these ones turn out and then we can do something else. What we're going to try next is we made the strawberry ice creams, didn't we? And you love the strawberry ice cream, so I ended up getting a free bag of mint and chocolate chip mint protein, which I'm so excited about. So what we're going to do with that is we're going to try to make some ice creams out of those as well.
Mum, can we make another one when we finish this?
No. Not today. We'll do it another day.
No.
So yes, one of the perks of being a consultant is you can get free stuff. So yeah, I've got where is it? I'll find it. Mint chocolate flavour. Really excited to try that, and I think that would be really cool to try and make those into ice creams. So excited for that. So there we go. So I'll pop those in the fridge and I will pop up a review on how those turned out. Please do not put your hands in those, babe. It's not a toy. Oh my gosh. I think we may have to give up cooking. I'm not great at it.
Mummy,
Hi Sophie. Hi Ellie.
Mummy,
Ellie says hi. You say hi Ellie.
Mum,
Yeah.
I love you cooking with me.
Are you okay? Does that mean that you want to keep cooking with Mum?
Yes.
Yeah. Not tonight though. We've done those, so we'll pop them in the fridge and we'll try some later. And
Crunchy rice.
we need to clean up this mess so that we can cook dinner. Thank you guys so much for jumping on. Hope you have a nice evening. And yeah, next time we're going to be trying the mint chocolate ice creams. So keep an eye out for that. See ya.
Guess what, Mum?
Oh, do you want to say goodbye? No? Okay. Bye.